In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see if I got gifted on Microsoft Store. If you're expecting a digital gift through Microsoft or Xbox, the easiest place to check is the email account connected to your Microsoft or Xbox profile. Most gifted games, subscriptions, or store items are delivered there automatically, so that's the first and most important place to look. Start by signing in to the email inbox that's linked to your Microsoft or Xbox account. Make sure you're checking the correct account, especially if you use more than one email address. A lot of people miss gift notifications simply because they're looking in the wrong inbox. Once you're in, go to the search bar in your email and look for a few common phrases. Search for terms like Microsoft Store, Xbox Gift, or Gift From. These keywords usually help pull up the message quickly, even if it was buried under other emails. If nothing appears right away, it can also help to double check folders like spam, junk, promotions, or updates, since automated emails sometimes end up there. When you find the message, open it and look through the contents carefully. The email should include a 25-character digital code. That code is what you'll use to redeem the gifted item. In many cases, the message will also include a direct redeem code link, which can make the process even faster if you want to claim it right away. Take a moment to review the email closely so you don't miss the code or the redemption option. If the message looks legitimate and includes the code and link, that usually confirms that you were gifted something through the Microsoft Store. That's all it takes to check. Log into the right email account, search for the gift-related message, and open it to find your code and redemption link.